welcome to the YouTube channel of Oils or Blessings. My name is Sam, and in this episode, I will share with you some stuff that I got from Shopee. So this package arrived the other day. Hindi ako nakapag-unboxing kasi I'm waiting pa for other stuff. Ang dami kong binili. So, this is something that I will be using for my aromatherapy in action class happening on February 15. This class is will be conducted by Amy Galper. So Amy Galper is an aromatherapist and the founder of the first aromatherapy school in New York City, which is the New York Institute of Aromatherapy. So, let's do the unboxing. And again, madami na naman wrapping. Yeah. Medyo malaking bubble wrap ito. Where to start? Oh my God, I don't want to destroy the bubble wrap. Pwede ko pa siya magamit. Oh, this will take a lot of patience. Okay, let's see. So this one, I got this from Brella Ventures. Tama ba? Brella Ventures. Okay, so lapit na ang moment of truth. Box na lang. Okay. So, the box is open. And another bubble wrap. The materials that I need can be provided by one vendor lang. So, tagal ko naghanap sa Shopee. Pero it's nice now that we can do some of our shopping online already. And yeah, Shopee and Lazada is actually a blessing to a lot of us. Lalo na ngayon we can't go out. Yeah, so the first item. Oh, okay. So it's my 100 ml beaker, glass beaker. I took up psychology in college because I do not like math. But when I was in my 4th year, nagulat ako may psychometrics. Math. And one of the other subjects that I don't like, chemistry. Who would have thought that I'll be dealing with beakers after so many years? Okay, so next, what is this? Only one way to find out. So the class is basically for 9 classes. So madaming topics na ita-tackle. And of course, part of that is how to blend your own concoctions. Okay, so the next item. May amber bottles. Okay. Isa-isahin. Ooh, roller bottles pala siya. Check natin kung lahat sila may roller. So it's a metal ball. Ang kanya roller. And then, so it's 3. Guys, may tatlo pa. Nandyan pa kayo. So, little side kwento na hindi kayo mabore. I started oiling 2017 because I was desperate at that time to get some sleep, and because a friend posted that essential oils were able to help her family with their respiratory concerns, so trinay ko, nag-work naman. Okay, next up, glass jars ulit. Takip pa. Ay, nulog. Okay. Okay, walang amoy. Very good. So, dalawa. This is nice, ah. This is 150 ml glass jar. And okay, that's that. Last 2. So the class is about a few days. Class will start in a few days, and I hope I have all of the things I need by then. Oh, more jars. Oh, I got 5 pala. Kasi sa dami ng pinili ko, hindi ko na alam kung ano at ilan. Okay. What's nice about this? Ang ganda-ganda ng jars niya. Very elegant pa. kuha ko na discounted yung class. Dami ko naman kailangan bilhin. Okay, more jars. But this time, smaller ones. Okay, so check natin uli. Oy, yeah. Yan. Okay. So when you do some purchasing online, at masaya naman tayo sa binili natin, the most that we can do for the merchants or vendors is give a good review. That way, nakakatulong tayo. So of course, for other buyers out there, it gives them confidence that when they purchase something online, what they are purchasing is of quality, and the vendor makes sure na kahit packaging, they really take care of their business. They make sure that their clients or customers are happy. Okay, so last bottle. Okay, siguro this will be for creams. Yeah. Okay, so these are some of the stuff that I'll be using for the Aromatherapy in Action class. That will be happening this February. So if you want to buy supplies for your creams or balms, cosmetics, if you're making your own, you can try out Brella Ventures. So I'll leave their link below. And if you want to learn more about aromatherapy, please do search for Oils Are Blessings on Facebook or Instagram. And if you want to have your own set of essential oils, I will leave the link below. Okay. So again, my name is Sam, reminding you to recycle and reuse bubble wraps, boxes, and pouches. I'll see you in my next video.